Excuse me. I guess that's one way to start the video. Alright. Anyway. I'll just open up my screen. There we go. Hey everyone. Haven here from the Golden Minecart. So, excuse me. Hiccups. So, if you guys have heard, McDonald's has made another Big Mac called the Chicken Big Mac. Now, my sister, whose name I will not mention, and got me the Chicken Big Mac, and I was recording a review video, and my niece, whose name I will not mention, decided to ruin it. And I couldn't post it, so I had to stop the video and delete it. So now that they're gone, I'm gonna tell y'all my official review on the Chicken Big Mac, even though none of y'all got to see me devour it. Go lay down, Smokey. Anyway, definitely 8 out of 10. Definitely 8 out of 10. McDonald's, you guys are awesome. Shout out to y'all. Everyone, go try McDonald's Chicken Big Mac. If you have, tell me in the comments, and I'll give you a shout out on my next community post. Alright, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching and listening. Bye.